Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Continue.dev, Copilot, and Cline. Continue.dev, GitHub Copilot, and Cline are three prominent AI coding assistants, each catering to different developers' needs and preferences. Continue.dev is an open-source AI coding assistant designed for developers who want more control and customization. It integrates with IDEs like VS Code and JetBrains, making coding faster and more efficient. The platform supports multiple AI models, allowing users to choose the one that best fits with their needs. It emphasizes privacy by offering local data storage and flexible workflow options. GitHub Copilot is an AI coding assistant developed by GitHub and Microsoft. It provides real-time coding suggestions, helps generate documents, and can improve coding productivity. The tool integrates smoothly with major IDEs like VS Code and JetBrains. Copilot works through the cloud and requires a subscription to use. Cline is an AI coding assistant that works as a VS Code extension. It can handle complex texts, create and edit files, and run terminal commands efficiently. Cline uses dual plan or ACT models to help developers plan and execute coding actions smoothly. It is open source with cost only for the AI model usage if needed. Overall, Continue.dev is best for customization and privacy, Copilot for seamless IDE integration and productivity, and Cline for autonomous complex coding tasks. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys found value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.